Guys, Christopher Walker back again with another helpful health video for you. After I released a video on the benefits, the health benefits, and just benefits in general of meditation, there were a lot of people asking me specifically how to meditate. And I'd mentioned in that video that there are multiple ways to meditate, and I still stand by that. But what I'm going to do in this video is give you a simple way that I meditate. And it's an easy way that literally anybody, if you have no experience meditating, this is a very, very simple way to start meditating, just to get into it. And it's a very easy way to, even if you spend just a couple minutes, have like a good effect from that meditation. So here's what you do. And this is actually based on very old Rosicrucian breathing technique, actually. And it's if you think about, it's called the triple sevens. So what you do is you're gonna basically sit. You want to sit with a good posture where your spine is aligned. It's straight up and down, because what that's gonna do is really take that breath, the breathing passage. Everything's gonna be open and clear, and then your spine is also gonna be aligned and nice, instead of like hunched over or to the side or whatever. If you're sitting up nicely, that it's actually going to have a beneficial impact. So sit up nicely. What you're going to do is you're going to breathe in for 7 seconds. You can close your eyes, keep them open, whatever. Breathe in for 7 seconds. Visualize when you're doing this that the breath is coming in from the bottom of your spine up to the top of to the crown of your head. Do that for 7 seconds. Hold the breath for 7 seconds, and then 7 seconds release that back down, and do that 7 times. This only takes a few minutes, right? But by the time you get to through that 7th cycle of it, you're gonna be extremely relaxed. This is actually also just a very good thing that you could do on a daily basis if you get into a situation during the day that is stressing you out or something, or you need to clear your head for a minute. You just need to take a couple minutes, get clear, get centered again, get right back into whatever you're doing. This is a great way to do it. There's also, the Rosicrucians actually use this kind of technique actually to get rid of headaches. So there's a lot of benefits to it, but this is probably the easiest way to get started for somebody who's just a beginner and wants to get into the daily practice of meditation. In terms of where you sit, I can find that you're gonna find if you sit on the floor, it can be a bit painful on your ankles if you're sitting in a good posture with your legs crossed. So what people typically do, and what I've done, is you buy one of those meditation pillows to sit on, and they're only probably $20-$30. You can get them on Amazon. Just search on Amazon meditation pillow, and get the one with the beads in it. It's nice and firm, but it's still comfortable. And those are actually very, very helpful. Now, another thing that you could do if you want to step up and do longer meditations, you can start your meditation with that 777 breathing pattern, and then from there use a pair of headphones while you're starting it. And there's a good Spotify playlist called Morning Meditation, and it's got just a bunch of relaxing music on it, and you can sit there, and sometimes I'll sit there for 45 minutes to an hour and really just breathe and do that, listen to that music. And what you'll find is that what happens is you start, at first you're gonna have this resistance in your head, like this desire to stop. And it's kind of odd if you really think about that. I mean, it's not like you're not doing anything out of the ordinary. It's basically like your mind is like wanting you to go and run around and do all this dumb stuff. But that's part of the process. You have this resistance. If you just kind of breathe through that resistance, after a couple minutes, you get into this very relaxed state where you can sit there for quite a while and end up. I always have my best ideas when I'm in the middle of that meditation, about 10, 20, 30 minutes in. You just have these amazing ideas. You feel relaxed, you feel great, you feel a ton of energy. If you're breathing very deep throughout this whole process, you're gonna have so much energy throughout the day. That was one of the biggest benefits that I had, was that I don't think I was using my full lung capacity until I started doing this. So, and then that by filling that lung capacity, you're actually going to be oxygenating your body much better. You're going to have a lot more just free natural energy in the body. So that's a good thing. There's also, if you want to read a book, read the book Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself by Dr. Joe Dispenza. And with that book, he includes some guided meditations for you. So if you wanted to use guided meditations, you can do that. And the book also will help explain and outline a lot of the benefits of doing meditation in general, and especially in these guided meditations, he walks you through some different ones that are kind of common for people that are into meditation. So hopefully this was a helpful starter point for learning how to meditate. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video.